verb, to play, in all 12 tenses in English. Present tenses. 1. Simple present. I play football every day. 2. Present continuous. I am playing football now. 3. Present perfect. I have never played football before. 4. Present perfect continuous. I have been playing football for 2 hours. Past tenses. 1. Simple past. I played football yesterday. 2. Past continuous. I was playing football when it started to rain. 3. Past perfect. I had played football before I ate dinner. 4. Past perfect continuous. I had been playing football for 2 hours when it started to rain. Future tenses. 1. Simple future. I will play football tomorrow. 2. Future continuous. I will be playing football at 3 p.m. 3. Future perfect. I will have played football by the time you arrive. 4. Future perfect continuous. I will have been playing football for an hour when you come.